is from Tumanao. Hafiz, the pride of Tumanao. Only managed by Chief Engineer Panfilo Panes and the rest of the family of Team Stroker from Tumanao. And the next, the pride of San Joaquin, Iloilo by Sipulan Brothers from the Two Diamonds. Makbakan, Audio Classic from San Joaquin of Team Turbo. And the rest from Ambukal, Hasang Tagbilaran City, Bohol. By Mr. Austin Elni Tare and the rest of the family of Team Stolen Family, the Battle Tanker from Bohol. And XMI, the pride of the sweetest mango of the Philippines from Gibaras. Is only managed by Fernandez family from San Miguel, Hondan, Gibaras, and powered by Broadway. And of course, the Legacy Stanley Pro Audio from Dingle, Iloilo, only managed by Stanley Ang Lee, and powered by Legacy Powered Amplifier. And of course, the pride of the past copies from Team Champion. Okay, only managed by Chief Engineer Nimar Kalagati and Chief Engineer Kenneth Kalagati from Team Stroker Family, powered by Lexus and European product. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Tayog sa Kabatuan 2024.